Welcome to our channel. Please like and subscribe. Take a moment to slow down. Today, we are going to understand something that is everywhere: energy. You cannot see it directly, but it is always there. In everything you do. In every movement, in every process. Energy is the ability to do work. That is the simplest definition. If something can cause change, it has energy. When you move your hand, that is energy. When the wind blows, that is energy. When the sun shines, that is energy. Let's explore this step by step. There are many forms of energy, but we will keep it simple. The first is kinetic energy. Kinetic energy is the energy of motion. Anything that is moving has kinetic energy. A car driving, a person running, even air moving. All of these have kinetic energy. The faster something moves, the more kinetic energy it has. Now, let's look at potential energy. Potential energy is stored energy. It is energy waiting to be used. For example, a ball at the top of a hill. It is not moving yet, but it has energy stored. Once it rolls down, that stored energy becomes motion. This is how energy changes form. Energy is not created, and it is not destroyed. It only changes form. This is one of the most important ideas. For example, when you eat food, your body converts that energy into movement, into heat, into thinking. Energy is always transforming. Now think about heat energy. Heat is energy moving between objects. When something is hot, its particles are moving faster. When something is cold, they move slower. Heat flows from warm to cold, always seeking balance. Now, let's talk about light energy. Light carries energy. The sun sends energy to Earth. This energy warms the planet. It allows plants to grow. It supports life. Without this energy, life as we know it would not exist. Now, electrical energy. This is the energy that powers your devices. It moves through wires and allows things to function. From lights to phones computers. It is one of the most useful forms of energy. Now, chemical energy. This is energy stored in substances like food or fuel. When released, it powers movement. It creates heat. It drives reactions. Your body uses chemical energy constantly, every second. Now, let's slow down. Energy is everywhere. It moves, it changes, it flows, but it never disappears. Think about this. Drop an object. It falls. Potential energy becomes kinetic energy. Then, when it hits the ground, that energy becomes sound, heat, and movement. Energy just changes form. Now, let's connect this to your life. Every action you take requires energy. Thinking, moving, speaking, even resting, your body is always using energy. That is why food is important. Because food provides energy. And without it, nothing works properly. Now, let's reflect. Energy is the ability to cause change. It comes in many forms: kinetic, potential, heat, light, electrical, chemical, and it constantly transforms. This is how the world works. Everything is connected through energy. Now, take a moment. Look around you. Everything you see is part of this system. Energy moving continuously. Standing energy. You understand the world at deeper level, and it all starts with one idea. Energy never disappears. It only changes form. We will gently return to the beginning. Take a moment to slow down. That was excellent. Please like and subscribe for daily lessons. See you next time.